shit. Oh shit. Man, it's 40. Oh, oh yes! Yes! Oh. 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 He's gonna get... Yes! Yes!
Oh my god, we never get to see anything like that.
Is he recording?
Yes!
Get fucked, you cunts! Get fucked! Oh, that was incredible.
At night I can't sleep, I toss and turn, candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being burned. Four walls just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on the trigger. My mother's always stressing out a nigga break. Well, I ain't going out without a
in the gravel, then he would have to do this like digging and something like get someone else out to, I don't know, like the bigger job to dig and like get the poles cemented down so deep, whereas the fence is now just going to be
Controversy was sparked from one interview. If you know what we're talking about, send a text 0460 873 873 and the answer's coming up on this day. Like what you're doing, make sure you subscribe.
I love it.
They have a bunch of ships that have been doing some observations on the Mogami class and stuff like that. And when you look at what they do and how they build stuff, you realize one of the biggest, strictest controls they have is manning requirements, where they'll say, we need one.
Thing, especially, I think there was a
sucked in.
Where the Congress essentially all
I wonder if that's what they're doing. Look at them, the way that they've just stopped.
Look at the cover looking at him. Ah,
Rip.
get him, get him. Put the window down. Get him, boys.
No.
Look at him, he's just not looking impressed. He's like, what the fuck do you think?